Yo, what's up gamers? In today's video, we're making more Star Wars stuff for the upcoming Star Wars movie. Anyways, I will meet you to building. Alright, bam. Okay, so we're in the other place that I usually don't use to do some goop building. But here we're just going to use it to test it out. Way better than the last one we did. Okay, so I'm going to just put you guys into first person. Now, let's just get to work. So, we're gonna be making something. So we're gonna be making a TIE fighter. It'll be a picture there. Okay, so yeah, TIE fighter. It's not that hard to make. So, just for the body, we're gonna use a cardboard box. First time using one of these, honestly. TIE fighters aren't that hard to make. So, just need to add an underbox fan to make it different. Holy! I'm getting a bunch of my quests done. So, we grab right here. Actually, I think down there's a better control area. I need you guys to comment down below if there's infinite ammo weapon. If so, I will add it to this to add some style to it. It's already working out quite good. So we're gonna add a piece of goob into here to add an umbrella to make it cover it better. And then you get a little bit of a hole to work out. You can grab stuff if you want. This will be a shorter video. Try my best to not copy off some other YouTubers and stuff. Because that's mean copyright is a bad thing. So, don't want to copyright that many people. Just a reminder, my design, no copyright in this. I forgot you could just do that. This will be something that it can be used into the Star Wars movie. An animal company. It's gonna be used here, alongside that X-Wing I made there. So, we're gonna not use the box fan I meant. We need one of these. I do know about the infinite ammo thing with the crossbow and the crossbow and this. Chaos Axe. Those two are infinite ammo, of course they are. I don't think the X-Wing has any on the what is it again? TIE Fighter doesn't have any foldable stuff on it. I'm just pretty sure it's just regular. Since we don't have that many pieces here, so what we're gonna do, also, move this umbrella for now, and add yes, one of these. one of those. That's actually no. Got a glow stick. For also some cabin light. And now we got a piece of goop. We place it. Now we grab our umbrella for the glide effect to make it better. So, I really hate cardboard boxes there. Oh, she's so that there's gonna be your tracking radar right here. So you're kind of really enclosed, and you have this little opening for your field of view to make it more realistic. And reminder, there's 32 goop slots, so we can actually add some interior stuff. One's lower than the other. I think that's supposed to be the place. Yeah, that's good enough for me. So let's grab our cube and grab our radar. It won't work because I'm in a private code. Come on. I hate this box. Box needs to be fixed without colliders. Oh, I'm about to kill this box. Oh my god! Ugh. Jesus, these boxes are annoying with colliders. Really, most items in this game need to have collider fixed. Especially the box. Jeez, like, what am I colliding with? Oh no, this goop's broken. Hold up, I'm going in, I'm putting this into the invention machine. I'm making it so it's, like, look at that! My hand was in it! So yeah, here's the X-Wing. Horrible! This is the one we want. So which way? It's this way. Yeah, box colliders are annoying. There, that's where I want it. I might put my rage bait there onto a clip. Onto the clips. Yo, I was hovering over this stupid... Like, watch. Good enough. Like, look at that. The box has horrible collider. You can use it to trap people. I'm not kidding. To trap people, it's simple with. Okay, that's it. I'm doing for this. Okay, really? Look at that colliding issue. Gotta put this back on it. Okay, no, it's actually Animal Company's. My headset's tracking problem. I guarantee my headset has some tracking issues. But the box does have some stupid colliding issues. Not that one. Okay. Test it. Alright, that's fine. You do got the tracking system. I would like to cover a little higher, but honestly, it's enough. Does it move better than the X-Wing? Yes. Does the X-Wing move? Also. You got your tracking system, and then you got your window to look out. And then you can just pull out your hand with that. Or you can... There you go. That's how you make an X-Wing in Animal Company. It's going to be a profitable movie, like I said. Thanks for watching. And also... Hold on, let me respawn my camera. Oh my god! Yo, okay, hold up. There's some quieter issues on the map. And yeah, so make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.